In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to reset the wireless to defaults for your HP DeskJet 2900 printer series. The printer is currently connected to a wireless network. Let's head over to the control panel. The wireless LED is solid. It is connected to a network, and we will show you on the HP app that it is currently connected as well. So to do a wireless reset, if the printer is in a sleep mode, press on the cancel button once. Next, to do a wireless reset, press on the cancel and wireless button for about 3 seconds. You will see the power button LED blink. You can see that the wireless LED is now blinking. And if you are to swipe on the HP app, you can see from the HP app that it is no longer connected. So this is how you do a reset wireless to defaults for your HP DeskJet 2900 printer series.